Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is another one of our fight training videos with Wing Chun and Grappling. It's how to perform a thigh tap takedown. But before we get there, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
So I face him, I do my leg catch from here, I step inside his arc, I step through my behind, I'm going to pull as I step and drop it. Okay? Thigh tap. Everybody go with that. Pair up, let's try it a little bit, and then we'll... And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.